Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After making a pixel selection, you can refine the edge of the selection by choosing Select and then Refine Edge from the menu bar, or by clicking the Refine Edge button in the Tool Options bar to open the Refine Edge dialog box. The tool buttons at the left side of this dialog box help you adjust the pixel selections you have made. You can click the Zoom tool or Hand tool buttons to zoom or pan the selection in the image layer. You can click the Refine Radius tool button and then click and drag by the edge of the current pixel selection to expand the pixel selection by the width of the tool's brush strokes. If you make a mistake when using the Refine Radius tool, you can click the Erase Refinements tool button and then click and drag over the brush strokes you added to erase them and restore the selection's original edge. The View Mode section contains the View drop-down that you can use to select the mode in which you want to view the pixel selection. If you made additions to the selection by using the Refine Radius tool button, you can display only the additions to the refinement area by radius by checking the Show Radius checkbox. To display only the original selection, you can check the Show Original checkbox. The Edge Detection section contains the settings used to adjust the selection of the edges in a selection. You can check the Smart Radius checkbox to automatically adapt the radius to the image edges. To set the radius or refinement area, use the radius slider or enter a value in pixels into the adjacent field. In the Adjust Edge section, you can use the Smooth slider to adjust and remove jagged edges. The Feather slider softens the selection edge by blurring it. The Contrast slider increases the contrast of the selection edge. The Shift Edge slider will increase or decrease the selection edge. You will be able to see what adjusting the sliders does to your selection in the image. In the Output section, you can remove the color fringe from a selection by checking the Decontaminate Colors checkbox. You can then use the Amount slider to choose the amount of color fringe to remove from the image. You can then use the Output To drop-down to select the destination for the output. Selection, Layer Mask, New Layer with Layer Mask, New Document, or New Document with Layer Mask. To set any settings you have applied to the Selection Edge refinement as the new default settings to apply when you open the Refine Edge dialog box, check the Remember Settings checkbox. When you're done applying your refinements to the selection edge, simply click the OK button to apply them. To reposition a pixel selection after you have drawn it, choose one of the marquee selection tools and then click and drag within the center of the selection area and drag it to a new location in the image, releasing it when it's in the desired place.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.